Good evening, gentlemen. Alex Glod, your home bartender here. Are you planning for Valentine's Day to buy your girlfriend some chocolates and some flowers? Are you really planning to break up with her? Look, if you want to really be a man this Valentine's Day, show her that you can provide. Give her something meaningful and memorable. And the best way to do that, make her a nice Cosmopolitan cocktail. Write the following things down and see whatever you have at home, and if not, go out shopping now. Vodka, triple sec, cranberry juice, a few limes, an orange, and you're good to go. Once you have the ingredients, prepare your shaker, and we're gonna get going. What? You don't have a shaker at home? And what? You're gonna let that stop you? Take the top of the shaker and let's start shaking. And for the final touch, we add the garnishing on the drink. With this lovely drink, you're gonna impress your lady and persuade her to stick around up until the next Valentine's Day. That being said, cheers and happy Valentine's Day!